Hey, this is James Pelton, and today I wanted to talk to you about Nested. Okay, so you know I've done a lot of videos that are kind of going outside of crypto, but I still believe in crypto. Crypto Jimbo has not gone anywhere. So Nested is a platform where you can put together these portfolios. It's kind of like you're creating your own ETFs. So you're creating kind of your own index funds, and then it makes it really easy to dollar cost average into these or to copy other people's portfolios. So first I kind of want to show you how it works, and then I want to show you how you could potentially make money using Nested. So the first thing that you can do is you can create a portfolio. So you just click create portfolio. You can do it on any of these different chains, and then you're going to add in different coins that you want to make part of this portfolio. So let's say you wanted to do, I don't know why you'd necessarily want to do this, but maybe a stable coin portfolio. So we'll put in USDC, BUSDT, what else? Looks like it's we're on Binance right now. So we'll just put those three, and you can adjust how much you want to put into each. So maybe I think BUSD is going to do a lot better. So I'll make that 75%. It automatically adjusts the other ones. You can confirm allocations. So then here you pick which coin you want to use to put into this portfolio, or you can do different cryptos. Obviously you can hook this up with your MetaMask, but yeah, I have 26 USDC in my MetaMask wallet, and I can say I want to put all 26 into this portfolio of stable coins. So then it kind of shows you how it's going to work. It's going to be $3 in USDC, 19 bucks in BUSD. Give it a name. It'll give you info on the fees that you have to pay to make that happen. But that's kind of the first way that you can use this, is just an easy way to create an ETF, an index, a portfolio of different coins that you want to put on a particular chain. So you can kind of see how I've used this. I have two portfolios going right now. The first is BNB Degen, which you can see is up 30% all time. I think I started it in November, so you can kind of see its performance over time. And this shows you what's in it. I have DexShare, MDB, BNB, EMP, Pigs from Animal Farm, and Optimus. I put this together back in November and just kind of said, hey, all the big BNB projects right now. Put a little bit in each of them. You can see some have done better than others. So my DexShare is up 70%, MDB is up 20%, but like Pigs are down 13%. And Optimus, I think that actually Optimus didn't work because that's not the right Optimus coin, because it's a rebase token. I don't think you can use those. So I did that one on B, and the second one that I did was Ethereum blue chips. Again, so if I just wanted to compile a list of, hey, here are the coins on Ethereum that I think are going to do well, kind of the blue chip ones. This is what I put in: Ethereum, Quant, Matic, Link, Uniswap, and 1inch. You can see most of them are up. 1inch is the one that's down, but you can see all in all, since I made this, November 23rd is when I created it, and we're up 13% all time. Okay, and the advantage to creating something like this way is if you want to just dollar cost average in, you can just click deposit funds, and then this one's on Ethereum, so I have to move over to Ethereum. So you can do just a simple deposit where you're just putting money into this portfolio, so into the index fund, if you will, or you can put specific money into specific coins in your allocation that you want to do. But this makes it just a really easy way to dollar cost average into a bunch of coins. So again, I have 6 coins here, and I can, with one click, I can keep track of how those 6 coins are doing together, and I can put money into this fund. I could dollar cost average just into Ethereum blue chips. So another thing you can do is you can copy someone else's portfolio. So you don't have to put together your own. You can go through these and you can view them a lot of ways. You can say in the last 30 days on Ethereum. Let's do the best performance in the last 30 days on Ethereum. So this will show you the portfolios that have done best over the last 30 days. So this one only has Gala in it, which Gala, you guys know, has been taking off. We have GameFi altcoins. Anything with Gala in it has done very well. Utility blue chips with Noya and Quant in there. 100x for next bull run. So you can kind of look through these and you can say copy portfolio. So basically you're just copying exactly what they have. It's just a real easy way. So like you can even search for James Pelton. I'll leave a link to this if you want into either of the ones. But you search for James Pelton, you see, hey, he's got a 28% and a 13% BNB Degen and Ethereum blue chip. And if you want to be in either of those, you just click copy, and you can put money into either of those and kind of follow along in this journey. So again, these are not too portfolios that I have that I think will do short term. These are kind of my long term, and how I plan to use this is I kind of plan to dollar cost average, and just an easier way to keep track of how it's done over time. So, and I'll leave a link to my Nested portfolio. You can follow people. I've always wanted to be followed by Thong, so really excited about that. I have one person who's copied my portfolio, and they put in 56 bucks, but still happy to do that. But all in all, I think it's a pretty cool platform. I think it could be really big I think there's plans to get crypto fiat on ramp and off ramp. But yeah, if you could kind of let average people just buy into some of these index funds, if you will, via Nested, I think some cool stuff going on there. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you like my crypto content, please hit the like button. Again, I've been branching out and seeing what else is in the world, but I do still like crypto. I do still think there is a future in crypto. So hit like, comment down below. What kind of portfolio do you want to create? If you were going to create your ultimate index fund of crypto, what would you put in it? What different portfolios? What would you like to dollar cost average in? I just want to hear some of your opinions down in the comments below. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and hope everybody has a great rest of the day. Thanks.